Kunal, let me come to you, ask your BTST ideas for our viewers.
Yeah, I think a couple of BTST names which I'll suggest at current levels. The first one is about Hero Moto Corp. That's a chart which I believe is looking attractive for a potential breakout from current levels. 4,000 is the target, stop us at 3,600 for Hero Moto Corp. And the second is about Avenue Supermart, something which I've been bullish on earlier, and we've been discussing this of late. So buy with a target of 4,200, stop us at 3,900.
All right, so that's Avenue Supermart as well as one of the counters that Kunal is bullish on, and Hero Moto Corp as well. What about you, Rudra? Which are your BTST ideas for our viewers?
So for me, United Spirits looks very strong. Addition in open interest, prices moving up, delivery volume up. So all that tells to me that United Spirit is headed higher. Look at targets of around 1,435 to 1,450 on United Spirits with a stop loss of 1,390. And another stock which looks very good for me will be Indigo. Look at targets of 5,250. In fact, Indigo is a stock to buy for all time frames and a must for 2025 portfolio. Looking at big targets, but even for BTST, one can look at buying Indigo.
Looking attractive definitely has to be Bank of Baroda. Look at the stock. It's actually trading higher by about 5%. We'll shut shop higher around those levels as well, given the fact that you have Citi that's come out with a positive note. They are betting on the stock and they're hoping the momentum to continue on back of earnings growth. So you have Bank of Baroda that's seeing a good up move above 4.8%. But whilst we wind down for trade, let's take a look at where the markets are actually shutting shop for trade today, given the fact that you have the markets that has managed to shrug off that entire tariff tantrums coming in from Donald Trump. You have Sensex and Nifty trading higher or shutting shop higher by about 0.5%. Nifty Bank outperforming the benchmark indices with gains of about 0.8% or so. If you look at the breadth, it is neck to neck, which has now tilted that bit in the favor of the declines, but not too many losers at that, because you have Tata Motors at the top Nifty loser, followed by Sun Pharma, Eicher Motors and Bharti Airtel. While on the flip side, Hero Moto Corp, strong gains of about 3.2%. You have IndusInd Bank that has bounced back 3%. Bajaj Finserv as well as NTPC, the other set of gainers in today's trading session. Talking about the sectoral indices then, likewise, if you look at the way how the day has panned out, Auto Index is the top sectoral loser. It will be shutting shop with a percent cut. You have Pharma that's also under pressure, about 0.5% or so. While on the flip side, PSU Bank is doing very well. Like I mentioned earlier as well, Bank of Baroda seeing gains of about 5%. PSU Bank Index shutting shop higher by about 2.7%. Realty also is staging a good bounce by 1.7% uptick coming in for Realty as well. Some of the newsmakers in trade today were Dixon Tech, and let's see where Dixon Tech will be shutting shop in trade today. Along with that, you have L&T, HDFC Bank, you have Prestige Estates. All of these counters were moving on back of brokerage notes. You have Trent also that you can add to this list. EMS players, positive note coming in on EMS players, so keep on your radar the likes of Amber Enterprises as well. But if you look at the way how the markets have been panning out of late, yes, it is the power sector that has been seeing a sharp up move along with the Nifty Bank as well. So power index for likes of NTPC, Tata Power, all of them seeing good up move in trade today. Also, you have HAL because you have ICICI Securities that's gone ahead and upgraded the stock to a buy rating. Remember that they've got the crucial delivery of an equipment that was needed for their Tejas, and on back of that, you have HAL shutting shop higher by about 1% or so. Mahindra EPC has also bagged an order. You also have Bharat Forge that has had significant news flows around with it. Tata Motors shutting shop lower by about 5%, all thanks to the auto tariff, which will hit the company or JLR sales in North America. So that's the reason why Tata Motors is ending lower by above 5.4%. Tomorrow we come back, a brand new day coming in, and we may have the expiry also out of the way. 0.5% higher is where the Nifty is shutting shop, just tad around the levels of 23,600. And on that note, it's a goodbye from me, Cheryl D'Souza, along with Nicholas Dalmi and the team that put the show together. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.